Want to know how the stock market works and how it was started? Welcome, dear viewers, to a fascinating journey into the heart of the financial world. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating history of the stock market, uncovering its inner workings and understanding how it all began. Whether you're a young professional, an aspiring investor, or simply someone eager to enhance your financial literacy, you're in the right place. I'm your friendly guide, here to simplify complex financial concepts and share valuable insights, making this topic approachable and engaging. The birth of the stock market. Let's start our exploration by rewinding the clock to the origins of the stock market. Picture this. It's the 17th century in Amsterdam, where the world's first official stock exchange, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, came into existence. It was here that traders gathered to buy and sell shares of the Dutch East India Company, a pioneering move that laid the foundation for modern stock markets. Fast forward to today, where stock markets around the world play a vital role in the global economy. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange was more than just a marketplace, it was a groundbreaking innovation. It allowed individuals to invest in the success of thriving companies, becoming shareholders and reaping the benefits of their growth and prosperity. This concept of owning a part of a business has endured over the centuries, forming the essence of modern stock markets. Investing in stocks allows individuals to become part owners of companies, sharing in their profits and growth. It's like owning a piece of the businesses you believe in. However, before you jump into the stock market, it's crucial to understand the risks and rewards, which we'll explore in more detail shortly. How the stock market works. Now, let's delve into the intricate inner workings of the stock market. At its core, the stock market serves as a bustling marketplace where buyers and sellers converge to exchange stocks or shares of publicly traded companies. These stocks symbolize ownership in the respective companies, granting shareholders a stake in their future earnings. Consider this scenario. You're intrigued by a tech giant like Apple. You have the option to acquire Apple shares through a stockbroker or an online trading platform. The price of these shares fluctuates daily, driven by an intricate interplay of factors, including the performance of the company, prevailing economic conditions, and the collective sentiment of investors. It's a dynamic arena where millions of transactions unfold daily, shaping the financial landscape. Imagine you're interested in a tech giant like Apple. You can purchase Apple shares through a stockbroker or online trading platform. The price of these shares fluctuates daily, driven by factors such as company performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. It's a dynamic marketplace where millions of transactions occur daily. Investment strategies. Turning our attention to investment strategies, the stock market offers an array of approaches to foster your financial prosperity. One widely embraced strategy is long-term investing. This strategy entails acquiring stocks and holding onto them for an extended period, with the goal of capitalizing on the market's long-term growth potential. This method, when paired with the magic of compound interest, can serve as a potent tool for accumulating wealth gradually and steadily. Alternatively, there's the world of day trading. In this realm, investors engage in the rapid buying and selling of stocks within the same trading day, aiming to profit from short-term price fluctuations. While day trading holds the promise of quick gains, it demands an in-depth comprehension of market trends and a high tolerance for risk. Another approach is day trading, where investors buy and sell stocks within the same trading day to profit from short-term price movements. While it can be lucrative, day trading requires a deep understanding of market trends and a high tolerance for risk. Achieving financial independence. Financial independence, a cherished aspiration for many, is a tangible goal through prudent investing and astute financial management. By making well-informed investment decisions, diligently saving, and adhering to a frugal lifestyle, you can incrementally nurture your wealth and attain financial independence. Diversifying your investment portfolio is a strategic maneuver on this journey. Diversification entails dispersing your investments across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. This serves as a bulwark against risk, enhancing your prospects of sustained success over the long haul. One way to accelerate your journey is by diversifying your investment portfolio. Diversification involves spreading your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This minimizes risk and increases your chances of long-term success. Key takeaways. The stock market has a rich history dating back to the 17th century, offering individuals the opportunity to own a piece of thriving businesses. Understanding how the stock market works is fundamental. It's a dynamic marketplace where stocks are bought and sold, representing ownership in companies. Investment strategies vary from long-term investing to day trading. Choose a strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Achieving financial independence is possible through smart investing, diversification, and disciplined financial management. Now, before we conclude, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the stock market? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our financial education journey. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who could benefit from learning about the stock market. Remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And for even more in-depth financial insights, consider checking out our recommended resources in the video description. Thank you for joining us today as we uncovered the fascinating world of the stock market and its origins. We hope you're now better equipped to embark on your own financial journey with confidence. Stay tuned for more valuable content on finance education, investment strategies, and achieving financial independence. Until next time, happy investing.